This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Apple Card. First, let's cover how to apply and activate your card. You can apply directly from the Wallet app on your iPhone in just a few minutes. Once approved, your digital card is instantly ready for use. If you prefer, you can also request a sleek physical titanium card, which arrives in about 1 week and activates with a simple tap of your iPhone. One of the biggest perks is daily cash, which gives you rewards every single day. You'll earn 3% daily cash on all Apple purchases and with specific partners. When you use Apple Pay for other transactions, you'll receive 2% daily cash. For purchases made with the physical titanium card, you still get 1% daily cash back, all deposited directly into your Apple Cash card. Managing your Apple Card is incredibly simple, all done through the Wallet app. You can see your spending clearly categorized by color, helping you understand where your money goes. Making payments is straightforward. You can schedule them or pay instantly. Remember, there are absolutely no annual fees, no late fees, and no foreign transaction fees, which can save you a lot of money. To get the most out of your Apple Card, always try to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest. The Wallet app even shows you how much interest you can save by paying more. Maximize your daily cash by using Apple Pay for 2% back whenever it's accepted. Regularly reviewing your statements in the Wallet app helps you stay on top of your finances and understand your spending habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.